Hi, I'm Ranjeev Misra. I'm a faculty at IUCAA. Over the last 20 years or so, I've been working on one particular main topic, and that is I want to study and understand black holes. Now, black holes are black. They don't emit anything at all. But when matter falls onto them, the matter around them becomes very hot, very millions of degrees. And when matter becomes millions of degrees, it emits X-rays. And it is this X-rays that we study. What kind of X-rays that come out of these systems, which are called black hole systems. We have discovered a large number of them in the universe now, and we study them. The first important thing to note is that we can't study X-rays from Earth, so we have to study X-rays from space, and we have to detect X-rays from space, and to do that we need satellites. For the last 8 years, we have our own Indian astronomy observatory called AstroSat, which is up in the sky now, and it observes these black holes and measures the X-ray emission from them. And so what we do here in IUCAA is that we get those readings and we try to understand what this is all happening about. So it is not just a question of discovering new black holes and looking at them. It's a question of understanding what is happening there. And there are so many mysteries, more like I would say puzzles. The X-ray intensity from a black hole system is not constant. It keeps changing in time, sometimes very rapidly. In a millisecond it will change. Why does that do that? We have many theories, but nobody has a clear answer for why these black holes change and why do they work around like that. So what we do is, we look at the data, which is all the X-ray emission coming from. We use all the physics knowledge we have learned in our schools and our high schools and our colleges. We derive the equations which black holes these systems can work on, and then try to see, does it really make sense what the data is all about? And this is a lot of work. It is done by a large number of people in this group. And one of the important things about this is that we're using our own Indian satellite data for doing this. But who? I don't do much work around here. There are many students who are working here. And the important thing of IUCAA is that we are an inter-university center. So it's not that it's students only from IUCAA who are working. The students who are doing their PhD or registered in different parts of the country, they come here. And we come together and work. It's one of the most important features of IUCAA is that people from different parts of our country, from Meghalaya, Mizoram, Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala, Karnataka, they all come here, they talk to each other, and they have a single goal. They want to understand the mysteries of the universe, or more specifically, they want to solve the puzzles which we see from our own satellite data. The meeting of ideas of students from different parts of the country is perhaps one of the most important thing which IUCAA does, because although these students are not come from remote places of this country, they never feel isolated as long as they come to the Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics.